If your child struggles with big emotions and you wish there was something simple that really works, this could change everything. Tap Your Worries Away is more than just a book. It's a complete emotional support system for you and your child, helping you both manage those heavy feelings with calm and confidence. With the book, you get exclusive entry into our online Happy Tappers bonuses. These are demonstrations, videos, songs and more. Hi there, I'm Andy Christina. You'll see goats pop up in many of my videos because I love kids, the two-legged and the four-legged kind. I live on a little hobby farm and nurture my furry friends with love, just like I want to help you nurture your child. For my two-legged friends, parents and kids, I wanted to create something that you could see, hear and feel. That's why, along with the book, you'll get some videos, demonstrations, explanations and some fun songs that your kids can relate to. Everything you need to learn tapping successfully is right here, step by step. The book shows you how and why tapping works, and the website bonuses show you exactly what to do. Here is a peek at one of the songs your kids will love tapping along to.
Tapping on the side of your eye, on the side of your eye. Tap, tap, be tap, 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 be tap. Tapping under your eye, tapping under your eye. Tap, tap, be tap, 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 be tap.
And yes, I've made some adorable tapping goat videos too, because EFT can be fun.
Feeling grumpy, feeling blue, I've got a secret just for you. Tap your head, then tap your chin. Let the happy feelings in. Tap your worries away today. With a smile we'll find a way. Big or small, those worries go. When you tap along with this goat, let's go!
My goal? To make EFT so easy and fun that kids actually want to do it.
Happy EFT kids, we tap away the blues. With fingers and a smile, there's nothing we can't do. Big feelings don't scare us, we've got a happy crew. We're strong, we're brave, we're tapping too.
Tapping is also a beautiful way to bond with your child. It is especially helpful at bedtime. I'll leave you with this little snippet from one of our special EFT lullabies, created just for you and your little one.
Tap, tap, tap so slow. Let your busy feelings go. Tapping helps your heart to rest. Snuggled safe, you've done your best.
Start your child's calming EFT journey today. Order your Tap Your Worries Away book here, right now, and unlock your exclusive videos, songs and resources.